Let's welcome the men mentor for the day, Dr. Shailendra, CEO, Kentron Biotechnology and Chairman, Bastar Valley Foundation, Jagalpur, Chhattisgarh.
Good morning, ma'am, and thank you very much for giving me an opportunity. I thank all Man Mahila, the entire crew, and the entire team for selecting me and putting me on this board. Thank you very much.
Sir, so please tell me about your journey.
My journey was, it's not a cakewalk, it was a roller coaster ride. I did my graduation from Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College in Belgaum. After doing graduation in medicine, I had a very short stint in civil services in the Department of Accounts and Audit. Then I realized that it was not my cup of tea. Then I resigned and I joined a company called Max India. There was a research division in that. So I learned the basic research, how it is conducted. So after learning that, then I started, I thought I should become an entrepreneur and generate more employment and give employment to the people and also contribute in the form of science, contribute to the science. So that was the intent. Then I started my own company called Kentron Biotechnology. And there are a lot of people who helped me during this journey, and they played a very critical role for me to come to this point as of today. The most important people I would like to name is Dr. Royston Drucker, who passed away. So he was the one who actually held my hand during the most difficult phase of life. And of course, there are a lot of people, a lot of other friends, and the families. Of course, they are always stood by my side. My wife, my mother, they guided me throughout. They trusted me. They trusted my capabilities, and they always supported me during all the part of my time. So that's how today I reached this level. So I'm very, very proud. There are certain friends also uh, who uh, who helped me who helped me a lot in the form of advising me during my uh, critical phase, like when I was down morally, and they supported me morally. And I'm really thankful to all those people. And because of that, we could able to at least taking up some social responsibilities today because of all my past glory and hard work.
Are there any challenges you face during your journey?
Yes, it was a very difficult journey indeed, and sometimes it was pleasing also. And so it's like a human life, you know. People always help you, hold your hand during difficult time, and even friends. I don't want to ignore anyone. Everybody contributed in their own way. So that made me to reach this point today.
So, sir, what is your success mantra?
Success mantra is see, believe in yourself. Sometimes what happens, you will reach the lowest phase of your life. I was sitting idle for almost 6 months, 7 months, couple of times in my entire career when I discontinued my government job. Everybody thought that I will not do anything because I left the most important jobs in my life. It was a civil service job, and it was really, really this thing. Everybody thinks that government having a government job is a very accomplishment in life. But I left the job at a very critical point, and I was sitting idle at home. So the thing what I want to say is believe in yourself. Whatever you want to do, you have to do your efforts from your side. Then automatically the success will come. Not only success and everything will you can bring it back to track. So that is what is very important, to believe in yourself.
Sir, who is your inspiration?
Of course, my inspiration is my family, my son, my wife. They always motivated me, especially my wife, Dr. Varda. She stood by me always when I was having a very difficult time. She always supported me in whatever I did. So it was a Mahila, first my mother and then my wife, and some of my friends also helped me a lot to overcome all these difficult parts.
Sir, any social change you want to?
Actually, I thought that this is a time that we should contribute back to society as a social responsibility. So what I see is that there are a lot of requirements are there in the field of education. The girls' education is very, very important, because if you educate a girl, it is like you are educating an institute. Like the girl is actually, the woman is she is a character of the family. So if you teach a girl, if you teach a woman, then she will teach the entire people whom she is surrounded by. So what I see is that there are almost 34 million adolescent girls are out of school actually, and this is another shocking fact that two-thirds of the 796 million literates are women. So according to 2011 census, the male literacy rate is 82.14%, whereas the literacy rate for females is only 65%.
Yeah.
So these are the statistics certainly reveal kind of discrimination that women face in today's world. So what we decided, we have to, education is basically as important as air, food, and housing for both men and women. So girls in India are considered a burden on parents. So what we decided, we started a school in a backward area where the girls are being considered as a burden to the family, and they don't want to send their girls to the schools. So what we decided, we started a charity school called Bastar Valley Foundation. So on that, we targeted the extremely Naxal hit area, especially in Chhattisgarh and other part. And also we are trying to expand it to other part of Karnataka, in northern Karnataka, where Raichur, Bellary, and these part also have the similar kind of problems. So that is what we started, and this is the initial. We already completed almost a year, and we are started focusing on girls' education. I want to make it completely free for girls, absolutely, for at least 100 girl children, right from basic education, from nursery till the graduation.
Very nice. So what motivates you?
A motivation factor is that whenever somebody comes to the school, or they come and attend our classes, and they could able to understand the logic behind our efforts, then that inspires me more. The more, it's like the more you sweat and the more you would like to work out. So it's the same concept. So it gives a kind of a sense of pleasure in the mind that you should do. You always want to do more and more, and achieve more and more.
So, sir, any word pitch or any message to MMK?
The message is that the woman is actually forms the character of the family. The better the characters, the better she will be able to hold the family in all directions, and they should get the education, all the education that is the government schemes, and they should take advantage of everything. And of course, the application of mind is very important for a woman, because that gives her a sense of courage, sense of confidence. So all these things makes her a better woman, and she can create a better world for all men. So that is what is very, very important for a woman to understand.
Thank you so much. We are pleased to take your interview.
Yeah, thank you very much, ma'am. It's nice talking to you, and hope we will again catch up again and do something together for the society. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
of
we are
course.
also planning to do something for transgenders. Probably it's going to be launched very soon. So I'm fighting for the transgender rights in India. So that is another cause. So we will work on that. Yeah.
Yeah, we will.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for.
Welcome, sir.